Hello and welcome to Yorkshire Engines, the Big UK. Big thank you to all you guys who've subscribed to the channel. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about timing chain issues. Yes, timing chain issues. It's been made aware to me that going back in 2012, Nissan were taken to court in the US. And they were basically taken to the court because they violated California and Washington's consumer protection laws and also federal laws. And the plaintiffs in that particular case won the case. And it turns out that it's not just an issue here in the UK, it's an issue right across the world. It was proven within that court case that these number of vehicles, particularly in the States, the Maxima 2004 to 2009, the Nissan Quest 2004 to 2006, the Ultima with the VQ35 engine also had an issue, the Pathfinder 05 to 07, the Xterra 05 to 07, and the Frontera with the 4-litre engine in, all having major timing chain issues. That court case cost Nissan in legal costs $5.2 million. The court awarded legal expenses to the plaintiffs, so that's what Nissan had to pay. It was then agreed that Nissan would compensate each individual that had suffered with this issue to a tune of $900 or a voucher off a discount off a new vehicle. So I'm getting a lot of emails asking me, can I make a claim, can I make a claim? It all depends upon the consumer laws within your country. So if you can do a bit of research within your country and don't think you can possibly do this on your own, it can need a collection of people, a whole lot of people who are going to have to need to support each other so that we can get this and to recognise the problems in every country around the world, not just the States, because people pay thousands of pounds in repairs. But that's the question. Is it a deliberate thing? I mean, why is Nissan insistent upon using this single timing chain? We've always said that a chain is far better than a rubber belt on your timing. So why on earth do Nissan consistently, year after year, continue with this single timing chain when they've been having years of problems and using millions of pounds with this issue over the timing chain? So my advice to you guys is, it is worth fighting Nissan because there is, for as long as the laws are in place, there is compensation which Nissan should be paying out to customers. So if you want to take this any further, if you go on our Nissan Snap Timing Chain group on Facebook, there's all the information regarding that lawsuit. So go on and take a look and see if you can potentially put in a claim for compensation for failed timing chains. So I thought I'd share that one with you guys because, like I said, it's a massive problem for everyone around the world. We send parts all over the world because of this issue. People say I should be thankful, and I am. But my point being is this is just one of many faults. And it's getting a bit of a joke now. So anyway, that's that on that subject. I've got one bit of advice for you guys. We're coming into the winter. If you've got a problem with your 4x4 system, now's the time to check your 4x4 system. Because what happens is I get a lot of calls every winter where people have got a fault with the 4x4 system and it's snowing and they need it that day. So again, they're off the road for whatever reason while they're getting them repairs done. So my advice to you now, if you've got any 4-wheel drive warning lights on, or if you put it in 4-wheel drive, you should hear a clunk. Sometimes the gears can seize because you haven't used it, the 4x4 system, for a while. Again, when you put it into 4-wheel drive, it can actually not want to come out of 4-wheel drive. So my advice to you is just rock the vehicle backwards and forwards reverse, first, reverse, first, reverse, and you'll probably hear a clunk and it'll come out of it. So then you need to test it a few more times on 4x4, and also check your 4 low setting as well, and making sure everything's working. So, big thank you to you guys for watching my channel. Subscribe for more. Give us a like. If you need my help and assistance, give me a call on 01274 029 809. Thanks for watching.